You already know what time it is if you've seen our last episode, but if you haven't, it's unofficially New Balance month over here on Shoot Your Shot TV. And to kick things off, we have the New Balance JJJJound 990 V3. Whew, these are fire. Can't wait to get into it. You already know what it is. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, and New Balance month 2022. Here they are, the New Balance 990 V3 by JJJJound in this nice olive green colorway. It's not too dark of an olive green. It's a very light olive green, looks really cool up close. And you have this predominantly olive green upper with suede or nubuck material, big black N New Balance logo right here. You have the soft breathable mesh toe box, and the other side paneling of the shoe is also breathable mesh. And you have the metallic tongue. I'm not sure if it's 3M, but it does shine when you put the light on it. It came with off-white laces, but it also came with a pair of olive green laces if you want to be full monochromatic, you know, spice it up with the olive green. I like how it looks with the off-white laces though. I'd probably rock it like that. And moving on to the midsole, it's that classic white midsole, but you did throw in some cream right here where you have the end cap technology. Very comfortable, by the way. And moving on to the back of the shoe, you have the NB logo, you have the 3M hit on the back of the heel. You wouldn't really know that it's a JJJJound collaboration unless you were in the know or you look really close. You can see it says JJJJound right here on the back. And on the insole, it also says JJJJound on the insole. Pretty cool, very minimal, not too heavy on the branding. You have that classic New Balance outsole. Good traction, good for running, good comfort. For those of you who don't know, JJJJJound is a Montreal-based studio. They really took off in the early days of Instagram. They were one of the first pages that I ever came across that was just curated aesthetic vibes. I want to say they even had a Tumblr as far back as 2006, and they've been, you know, just posting cool images, cool vibes, cool aesthetic for 15 years now. This isn't their first collaboration with New Balance. They did a 990 V3 in a light gray back in 2018. Really wish I had that pair as well. Back in 2020, they did a 992 in a darker green, and then they did one in like a mushroom brown gray colorway. They did a 990 V4 late last year, which was more tonal and like all dark navy, or like it was black. I'm not 100% sure, but it was like either black or navy. All those shoes are pretty good looking. I would love to have them in my collection. If you're familiar with the channel, then you know the 990 V3. I champion this shoe. It's my favorite New Balance model. It's the first New Balance that I ever owned back in 2015, and I've been wearing New Balance ever since. I'm wearing the gray ones right now. We reviewed them previously. You can check out that episode by clicking the links below. It's cool to see it come back in 2022. They brought it back in the classic colorways, gray, navy, and black. They're also doing collabs like this one with JJJJound, and they did a collaboration with Bodega last year as well. Yeah, man, the 990 V3 is my personal favorite. Hopefully we start to see more 990 V3s on the shelves, and we can pick up a few pairs to review for you guys. Unfortunately, we can't try these on for you. They're a 4.5. We want to shout out our good friends Marc and Jai for letting us borrow this pair for today's review. Here's some photos of Jai wearing them so you can get an on-foot look. Shout out to Marc, he hit on JJJJound when they first dropped, lucky. Me and C, we tried, but we took the LL around, the L. Here at Shoot Your Shot TV, if you're unfamiliar, we do have a rating system where we rate the shoe into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price, and give you an overall rating. Even though this pair doesn't fit me, based on my experience in owning 990 V3s, I can let you guys know how they feel as far as comfort. They're a 5 out of 5. They're very comfortable. You can definitely feel that end cap technology. The insole's very soft. I wear my 990 V3s often, and I wear them a lot, and I can wear them all day without any issues. Really quickly on the sizing, I go true to size, but if you have a wider foot, you can go either a half size up if that's something more comfortable for you. Moving on to style, the shoe is very stylish in pretty much any colorway. More stylish in this light olive green by JJJJound. I just love the way it looks. It's very minimal, just olive green, white, black, cream. Can't go wrong. You can pair it with anything. It doesn't have to match the olive green. You can do whatever you want and the shoe is still gonna pop. So as far as style, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. As far as price goes, these retailed for $250, which I know it seems like a lot, but the resale value is already doubled for some sizes. I've seen my size going for like $350, $400 might have to do it. Even the original 990 V3 by JJJJound with the gray colorway is reselling in the thousands. So if you want to get this shoe, I suggest picking it up now if you really like the shoe, because if you wait too long, resale price might be out of your range. $250 is not bad because it is going to appreciate in value, and you do get a lot of quality, a lot of comfort, and a little bit of stylish hype. So 5 out of 5 as far as price. Giving us a grand total of 15 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot rating system, a perfect score. But that's our episode for today. Let us know how you guys feel about the 990 V3 by JJJJound. Is it something that you guys tried to pick up and took the L like us? Did you get lucky? Did you hit? Are you praying for a restock like me, or are you gonna pay resale like I might do? But we just wanna say thank you again for joining us on Shoot Your Shot TV for New Balance Month. We have a ton more of shoes in store to review for you guys, but thank you for rocking with us. Again, this has been an episode of Shoot Your Shot TV, New Balance Month. We'll catch you guys on the next episode. Again, my name is Paul. Shout out to the producer of the show, C-Rock Behind the Lens. It's Shoot Your Shot TV, Shoot Your Shot Records, New Balance Month 2022.